The EasyOne is going to be a paradigm shift in survey drone technology, and I think the marketplace is going to respond very, very well to what we've done.
The EasyOne really excites me because of its portability and its small form factor. Nothing can compare to being able to have an integrated solution, especially a LiDAR solution that you tote with you into the field.
The EasyOne Quick Connect system really helps in speeding up connecting to the drone, removes all the connection wires that you had in the past, and just allows for a much smoother transition from taking the drone out of the box, setting up, and getting the payload onto the drone itself and getting ready to scan.
This is going to be something that is easily adoptable from any previous systems to the newer version. We've got the same application used on the tablet, and now everything is fully integrated. So now instead of having a tablet as your screen and a controller to control the drone, it's one and the same. So using the Microdrones ecosystem, we're able to use the hardware, the software, and all the processing and put it into one space, which makes it very easy for all of our customers compared to a lot of the other systems that are out there. In order to maintain accuracy, the new EasyOne is able to utilize real-time terrain following and awareness. So it is actually live scanning with the LiDAR system, coming back into the CPU and understanding that, oh, I need to raise up or lower my altitude. How this is beneficial for all of our customers for mapping is that we want to keep an even ground sample distance. So we need to be equidistant, whether you're on top of the mountain or on bottom of the hill.
For the UHR Lite and the UHR, the ability to be able to generate a colorized point cloud from those payloads is very incredible, especially considering in a small form factor and small overall package element. The UHR and UHR Plus have absolutely been proven in the field. I believe moving forward it's a great alternative to other solutions that are out there in the market.
Ever since I heard about the EasyOne, I've been incredibly excited, because we're going to have something that nobody else has. It makes it so nice to be able to take a little drone out and put it up in the sky and fly and do your mission. It just makes it easier. That's why we call it the EasyOne. This new system is much easier and it's much more reliable, and it worked great. And the guys that get this are going to love the EasyOne.